Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's lesson, you will learn how to enable dark mode in Skype. Dark mode is a setting available in many apps that allows you to use an alternative, darker color scheme. One of the big advantages that dark mode offers is reduced screen glare. Open Skype app. Go to the left side panel. Click on the three dots at the top right corner. Choose Settings from the list. A new window will open. Select Appearance from the left side list. Go to Modes block. Check Dark option. The theme will turn dark. You can also check Use System Setting option. Another option is to use accessible modes. If you want light mode, check High Contrast Light option. If you want the dark mode, check High Contrast Dark. Switch between every option to see how your Skype will look. Check the option that you want to enable it. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!